بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر
Thank you very much. You may now take your seats. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أصحاب المعالي والسعادة، السيدات والسادة، حضور الكريم. صباح الخير، مساء الخير، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, honored partners, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to BELTCON here in Jeddah, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. My name is Dija, and it's a great pleasure and honor to be in the presence of all of you here this afternoon. And it is a great honor to be in the presence of His Excellency, the German Ambassador, Mr. Michael Kindsgrab, Consul General Andrea Christ, Sheikh Saeed Mohammed Habib Irfani, MODON CEO Engineer Majed Al-Argoubi, MODON Vice CEO Engineer Mamdouh Idris, esteemed leaders, CEOs, partners from Saudi Arabia, Germany, and the international community. Ladies and gentlemen, oh yes, please go ahead. Today marks more than just a formal event. It's not just a formal opening, it marks the next step of a company that was built on cross-border entrepreneurship, combining German engineering standards with Saudi execution speed. It marks the result of clear vision, rapid progress, and long-term commitment. What we celebrate today is progress in motion, a starting point for what the site will grow into, to become a hub for conveying components made in Saudi through technology leadership and international partnership. I would now like to kindly invite the BELTCON founder, Mr. Faiz Ahmed, and our honorable guests to please step forward for the opening moment. May I kindly ask everyone who was there at the ribbon cutting ceremony to please join us for the opening moment. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, we now announce that BELTCON manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia is now officially open.
Today marks another milestone between Saudi Arabia and Germany. We are turning a vision into visible capabilities. BELTCON, a German provider of baggage handling systems and industrial conveying solutions, together with its strategic partner MAFA, one of the leading engineering companies in Saudi Arabia, is enabling a historic shift. Advanced conveying technology, once fully imported, is now produced locally in the kingdom for the first time, contributing to Vision 2030 through localization, technology transfer, and sustainable industrial growth. At the same time, the new factory builds a direct industrial bridge to Germany, opening concrete opportunities for German partner companies to access one of the world's most dynamic infrastructure markets. What began as a vision in a simple office in Jeddah evolved through strategic partnerships into an industrial corporation trusted on some of the kingdom's most visionary projects. Uniting precision and speed, experience and ambition, trust and performance. Strengthened by a trusted partner network. Together, we serve the systems that connect the world. Airports, food and beverage industry, logistic and e-commerce networks. Right here, from this place, we will contribute to global progress, to our shared vision, moving forward together.
As we just saw, ladies and gentlemen, BELTCON development is closely aligned with the ambitions of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. Localization of industrial value creation, technology transfer in the kingdom, knowledge sharing and capability building. Before we continue, let me just address the obvious. BELTCON decided not to wait for perfection before inviting you. Because what matters to us is not staging a finished picture, but sharing the real beginning of something substantial. Just 1 week ago, ladies and gentlemen, even the access road that you all came from outside was not even ready. In the past few days, the team here has made tremendous progress, visible and tangible. What you see today is a snapshot of a very dynamic phase, and in a few weeks from today, operations will move in completion. We are proud to show you not just the results, but momentum. And let me add one more thing, please. Exactly this mindset. Fast decisions, short distances, and hands-on leadership is clearly part of BELTCON's DNA. Let's give them all a round of applause, please. And now, it is only right that we hear from the founder of MAFA and BELTCON himself. So please join me in welcoming to the stage Mr. Faiz Ahmed, the founder of MAFA and BELTCON, to deliver the first greeting.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to everyone. Guten Tag. Your Excellency, Ambassador of Federal Republic of Germany, Mr. Michael Kindsgrab, my Honorable Sheikh Sayyid Muhammad Habib Irfani and his son Sayyid Muhammad Akhyar Habib Irfani, distinguished guests, respected partner, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Just a short note before I begin. I chose English for my opening remarks, not because I mastered it perfectly, but to build a bridge. Arabic would be no problem for me, but English brings us all together, while my German is still in the way. When I look around this room, and when I see who has joined us today, I feel deep gratitude and deep responsibility at the same time, because moments like this do not come by chance. They are earned over time through dedication, trust, and teamwork. Let me take you a quick journey how everything began. When I started first company called MAFA in January 2008, there was only one person, which was myself. And gradually has a big team and experts now. No investor, only engineering work, long nights, and the belief that if you work honestly and take responsibility, opportunities will come. At that time, success meant something very simple: earning money, delivering what was promised, and earning trust. Never, truly never, at that point, did I imagine that one day the German ambassador and all VIPs would inaugurate our factory. That thought alone still makes me feel humble. MAFA grew steadily and independently. Our automation solutions and conveying technology system were used by major Saudi corporations like Sabic, Aramco, Safullah, Delmon, IFCO, and many others. And we became official partner of leading technology providers such as Siemens. But at a certain point, we asked ourselves to seriously question, do we want to remain good or do we want to become truly excellent? That question led us to having a defining decision. To expand our business internationally, we were discussing our options, America, Canada, Australia, but finally we chose Germany. Not because it was easy, but because we felt logical and technology-wise. From the beginning, all key technology partners of MAFA came from Germany. And honestly, even though Germans often cannot see it themselves, for us and the rest of the world, that technology is still top-notch. This decision gave birth of BELTCON. You just saw in the opening movie. For us, BELTCON is more than just a company. It is a shared vision. It combines German engineering excellence with Saudi entrepreneurship spirit, German structure with Saudi speed, German precision with Saudi ambition. Living and working between these two worlds is not always easy, but it's powerful. This also means this vision would not exist without my family. I speak now not as a founder, but as a father. My son, Muhammad Adil, took responsibility early, not only because it was expected, but because he truly believed in the future of what we were building. Today, he is living in Germany with his all family, but he is making a bridge between Germany and Saudi Arabia. My other son, Muhammad Awais, he is leading the factory and engineering team, engineering department in Jeddah. He is leading complete facility in Jeddah, designing, engineering, everything he is making from here in Jeddah. My son, Muhammad Hassan, he lives in Germany and as well put his full energy into BELTCON operation there. Today, I am very proud to see my children continue and grow what I once started, further than I could have imagined. This milestone, our new factory in Jeddah, represents all of this. It stands for confidence in Saudi Arabia future. It stands for industrial strength and international cooperation. And it stands for a belief that the Middle East is not only a market, but it is a place where world-class technology can be built. We are thankful to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for the vision and trust and entrepreneurship. We are thankful to Germany for its partnership, openness, and quality standards. And we are thankful to our partners, Tramac, Siemens, Nord, Emerald, SRH, Moore Electronic, Ovico, Gate, Sialkot, and many others who believe as we do that progress is built together. I would like to use this occasion to give special thanks to my Sheikh Sayyid Muhammad Habib Irfani, special thanks to my brother Javed Iqbal, who arranged for me everything. Special thanks to Mr. Volker Brand, who helped us to develop German quality and motivate us to do more. And special thanks to some of my special friends who guided me with their wisdom and their experience. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Faiz. And let's also give it up for his wonderful family and sons who stood by him and made this dream a success. What Mr. Faiz has just shared is the history of where MAFA was and where it is today. Very, very proud moments right there. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my honor to welcome to the stage His Excellency the German Ambassador, Mr. Michael Kindsgrab, to the stage. Please Please welcome him.
Good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. Excellencies, distinguished guests. Congratulations. Congratulations is all I can say, being part of this very important and very impressive event. It says on my program, it's a grand opening, and a grand opening it is indeed. This is one of the most important and promising opening ceremonies I've had the ability and the honor to been to during my tenure here in the kingdom. And it's really delightful to see a project, a joint project that has progressed so far. From a supplier-client relationship, from an importer-exporter relationship, to a true industrial cooperation that also focuses on one of the most important aspects of Vision 2030, which is, or actually two aspects. First, it's the connectivity. Second, it is to turn Saudi Arabia into an industrial hub. This project addresses both of these aspects. I think if you look at the succession of German leaders who have visited the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia only in the last 2 weeks, then you can see that in Germany it is very clear to the government and to parliament as well that Saudi Arabia is a key player in our strategy, our foreign policy strategy to improve our security, our freedom and our prosperity. But policy can only do that much. It depends on people on the ground, it depends on investors, it depends on entrepreneurs who put their money where their mouth is to bring these values and these goals into reality. And this is why being here today makes me quite happy, because we see that there are really important actors who work for this, who at the end of the day create partnerships that are going to bring us forward. So today is definitely a milestone following many years of cooperation and trust building, but a milestone is at the same time something where we look behind, but also where we look forward. And forward looking this day is indeed. So thank you all very much, first of all for having us here, my colleague Andrea Christ, the Consul General in Jeddah, and myself. And thank you very much for making that investment, taking that risk, taking that jump forward. Whatever we can do to help, we are more than ready to. And all the best for the coming months and years, which means that probably sooner or later we're going to have to celebrate a new milestone in moving this cooperation forward. Thank you very much. Shukran jazilan. Good luck to you.
Your Excellency, thank you very much for your words and the strong partnership between Germany and Saudi Arabia. Please, let's give him one more time a round of applause. We truly value that relationship. Next, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the representative of GSAL, the German Saudi Arabian Liaison Office for Economics Affairs, Ms. Rawabi Basyuni, to the stage.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rawabi Basyuni. I'm the representative of the German Industry and Commerce from GSAL office in Jeddah. We are the official representation office of the German industry in Saudi Arabia. I'm very honored to be witnessing this impressive event today. It marks an important milestone for the extension of the business cooperation for BELTCON. It is very much in line with the Vision 2030, which is requiring more localization efforts. And we do see that our German companies are following that trend. The investment reflects also the confidence in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, its dynamic economy, and its vision for the future. Thank you so much, and we wish BELTCON the best of luck, inshallah.
Thank you very much, Ms. Rose Wawabi, for your kind words. Before we continue, ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to call back to the stage Mr. Faiz Ahmad, if you can please come on to the stage, because we would like to also honor the CEO from MODON. So may you please come to the stage. Next, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together from Tramak Volca Brands. Next, I would like to welcome the Airport Technology Network, Kevin Fisher. Please join me in welcoming to the stage the team from Matarat. Also a partner from Egypt. Please, a new partner. A brand new partner. We want more and more partnerships. Why not? Please. May I kindly request all our partners who've just received a token of appreciation to please make your way back on stage so we can get a nice group photo. We can have Tiba. Please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause, please. This is a special token of appreciation to Sheikh Sayyid Mohammed Habib Irfan from His Excellency, the German Ambassador, Mr. Michel Kindsgrab. Here. Strong industrial progress is built on strong partnerships. We all know that. We're now going to be hearing some short remarks from some of BELTCON's key technology partners. So I would like you to please join me in welcoming to the stage by starting with Siemens. I would like to invite the representative of Siemens, the Senior Vice President, Saudi Arabia, Fawaz Al-Shamiri, to the stage.
It is an honor to be here today celebrating this new opening of MAFA factory. Our relationship has grown beyond supplier and partner relation. It's built on trust, performance, and long history of delivering together. We have been working with MAFA for more than 10 years. We have seen MAFA continuously expand its technical capability, invest in engineering excellence, and strength execution standard. Year after year, you continue to raise the bar. Together, we have delivered major success across different industry. We've been working in the airports, in logistics, and food and beverage. MAFA has transformed Siemens technology into a real operational value to our customer. Because of this, our footprint expanded and our market has been increased in the kingdom. True partnership is not measured by contract. It's measured by trust earned, challenge solved together, and long-term value creation. This new facility sends a clear signal that MAFA forward-looking vision. It is an investment in people, technology, and future capacity. For Siemens, this gives us a strong confidence that together we are ready for larger opportunities, more complex projects, and new sectors. Under the ambitious vision of 2030, our industries are moving toward digitalization, automation, sustainability, and smart infrastructure. We believe MAFA will continue to be a key partner in delivering these solutions. On behalf of Siemens Digital Industries, I sincerely thank you for your professionalism, dedication, and collaboration. We are proud of having this strong relationship and achieve a lot together. We are even more excited about what lies ahead of us. Congratulations for this outstanding milestone, and let us continue building the future together. Thank you so much.
The representative of Nord Drive Systems, owner and managing director, Ulrich Kuscher Meister. I hope I pronounced that right.
Salam alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, dear partners and customers, dear MAFA BELTCON team. It's a great pleasure and an honor for me to be here today in Jeddah to celebrate the inauguration of this impressive new production facility. On behalf of the shareholders and the entire Nord Drive Systems family, I would like to sincerely congratulate MAFA BELTCON to this important milestone. Your new factory represents growth, ambition, and a strong commitment to delivering high-quality solutions to customers in Saudi Arabia and across the region. The facility strengthens MAFA's manufacturing capabilities, shortens lead times, and enhances flexibility. Our cooperation with MAFA has developed over many years into a close and trusted partnership. As an authorized distributor of Nord Drive Systems, MAFA has successfully combined Nord's global technology expertise and deep local market knowledge, engineering competence, and outstanding customer service. This combination is a foundation of sustainable success. Both our companies share a similar growth journey. Nord Drive Systems started as a family-owned company and has grown into a global manufacturer of innovative drive solutions. Today, our portfolio includes energy-efficient gear units, electric motors, and decentralized drives electronics, all designed to deliver reliability, flexibility, and low total cost of ownership. Nord is active in 34 countries with 5,000 employees and a turnover of 1 billion euro. MAFA has followed a comparable path, evolving into a high-capable solution provider, offering system integration, project engineering, manufacturing, and after-sales support to the needs of demanding industries. A key strength of our partnership lies in the way our products and service complement each other. Nord Drive Systems provides a modular drive system ranging from industrial gear units and geared motors to frequency inverters and motor starters. These solutions are known worldwide for their robustness, efficiency, and suitability for harsh environment. MAFA BELTCON takes these products and transforms them into customer-specific solutions, engineered, assembled, and integrated and supported locally. MAFA adds systems expertise, project management, and on-site service, ensuring that these solutions are perfectly adapted to local regulations and customer expectations. Looking ahead, I see tremendous opportunities. The continued expansion of airports, logistic hubs, and industrial facilities, combined with the goals of Saudi Vision 2030, create strong demand for efficient, reliable, and suitable, sustainable drive solutions. Digitalization, energy efficiency, and intelligent automation will play an increasing important role. Areas where MAFA BELTCON and Nord Drive Systems are very well positioned. We at Nord Drive Systems are proud to stand alongside MAFA as a trusted technology partner. We look forward to further expanding our cooperation, developing new applications, and jointly setting new standards in the airport business and beyond. Let me conclude by wishing MAFA BELTCON, its management and its dedicated employees continued success, sustainable growth, and a prosperous future. Thank you very much.
So we both get gifts, I guess. So there's a token of appreciation from each to the other. The representative of Amiral Beltec, the Managing Director and Vice President of Amega ECE, Kai Biagan Fenga, to the stage.
Yes, salam alaikum and hello and good day to everyone here. It is really a pleasure for us to be here, Your Excellency, dear family, Faiz Ahmad. It is really an honor to be here. What you have created here in the last 3 decades here in Saudi Arabia is outstanding. Yeah, your passion for your equipment and everything, how you have started here, how you have started in Germany, near to Hamburg, coming to the association also of Gate to maintain family and business. This is the most important thing of this day. So we as a key supplier also for you, it is really an honor for us to support you and to go in friendship here really also in Saudi, and it is really a good move on. Also our company is well established now also on some of the airport equipment already here, and we're supporting your future. I want to close with it. Enough words, Mr. Küchenmeister, you explained everything about it, and I wish you all a really good day. Success for the family, and go ahead. Thank you.
This is what we mean when we talk about trust and partnership. To give us his remarks, so if you can please help me and join me in welcoming the CEO of SL Rush, Mustafa Rush, to the stage.
Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. It's a big honor to be here and greet you all, welcome you all here at MAFA BELTCON's opening ceremony. For us, it's a very important step. We have been approached by MODON last year with the idea of coming to Saudi Arabia to produce our umbrella structures here in Saudi, and have since been looking for the right partner. Luckily then Faiz Ahmed and myself met end of last year due to the persistence of Faiz Ahmed, and found that this is the perfect match. He has German production capacity, a complete understanding of German quality and how to do it in the right manner, and it complements each other. We're doing the design engineering and the steel structural part, bringing it into MAFA BELTCON, who is doing all the electronics, the mechanical part, and control system. So we're looking forward to a bright future in this partnership, which was founded just recently, so it's very fresh, very new, and it's a big honor for us. And we hope to invite all of you within a few months. We'll announce it again when the first umbrella, the first Saudi-made umbrella, will be installed here at the facilities. Thank you. Thank you.
We have a little surprise from Siemens Saudi Arabia for Team BELTCON. So may I kindly have Mr. Fawaz Al-Shamiri back on stage, please. It's like a mutual partnership. So this time, Siemens is gifting BELTCON and MAFA. So since we already started honoring a few partners, we would like to mention a few more, please. So please join me in welcoming to the stage from Mural Tektronics, Matthias Meiter. Auweko, Wolfgang Baron. Guys, round of applause, please. Thank you. As mentioned earlier, today marks the beginning of a new industrial chapter for BELTCON and Saudi Arabia. We now kindly welcome you all to please join us for lunch and networking. And please feel free to ask any questions if you have with the team. We look forward to seeing you guys in the near future. But one more thing, we also have a guest book that you can find on the exit. Please fill it out with some nice words for BELTCON. We want to say thank you all very much. Your presence means a lot to us. My name is Dija. It's been an honor being your host. Have a great afternoon.